So we're here trying out the new PC Building Simulator 2 Open Beta, which is just loading up now. We're excited for this. We've played PC Building Simulator, the original, on PlayStation 4, which was pretty good. And here we are, welcome to the Open Beta, PC Building Simulator 2. Thanks for joining the PC Simulator 2 Beta. You're now entitled to a 15% discount on the retail version of the game. In this beta you can kick off your PC repair business with levels 1 to 5 of career mode, and build and share PCs with friends in free build mode. This beta is a work in progress, bugs and crashes are possible, and the final version of the game may look different. Please use the survey link on the main menu to submit your feedback and bug reports. We'd really appreciate it. Fab! Let's go. So, got surveys, got options. Free build. Let's take a look at free build. Here we go. Here we are then. Welcome to free build. In this mode you can build your dream PC and export it to share with others. As a thank you gift, a ready built PC has been left for you to import. You can collect it from the storage cupboard. Fab. Storage cupboard. What have we got around here? This is interesting. Definitely got a bigger space than we used to. First thing to work out is how to move. Haha, so it's W, A, S and D to move then. Right, the controls are taking a little while to get used to. Oh, okay. This is inventory. Got 737 PC components available. Guessing this isn't the storage cupboard. Would be kinda good if they labelled places. I gave you a tutorial introduction. Aha! So this is a place we recognise. This is where the PCs are going to get dropped off by people to be worked on. Okay. Aha! This, I reckon, is the storage cupboard. Yes. Importing PCs. The storage cupboard is where you can keep the PCs while you're not working on them. More than that, it allows you to import PCs that your friends have sent you. Oh, there's no PCs in the storage. I'm guessing it must be this. Uncle Tim has sent you a PC. Click to import it. PC imported. The PC has been imported successfully and has now been added to your storage cupboard. Uncle Tim's PC. More LEDs. Here is the PC that Uncle Tim sent you. You can also take great pictures of your PCs to use as thumbnails, either by exporting them or using the camera while you're working on them in the workbench. i9 processor. It's looking pretty cool. Pick it up to take it out. Wow, 64 gig of memory. Loads of LEDs, as it says. We'll pick it up. Left click pick up to take the PC out of storage cupboard and use it in the workshop. We'll do that. Importing PCs. You now have a copy of Uncle Tim's PC and can make whatever improvements you wish to create the PC of your dreams. You can also send your PCs to your friends by exporting them directly from the workbench. Fab. So if we can remember how to put it down now. Aha. There we go, there is the PC. It's not plugged in. Retail value $5,015. Nice. Turn the computer on and off. Let's plug it in then. and exit that view of it. Alright, let's see what we can do on this. The Omega system. Oh, lighting. Doesn't appear that lighting is doing much. Oh, right. Nice. So we've got them all powered on. So if we save and then exit. Nice. More LEDs. See what programs we can install, if any. Oh, here we go. Insert USB drive into the PC to continue. Yeah. Alright. It's over here. Right, so we can remove these and have a look inside. Oh, okay. Let's install removed components. Oh. We've not removed all those yet though. Let's put the side panel back on. Ready to boot. It's much easier on the interface to work with the computers, definitely. South Wirral Country Club. Let's have a look at what Oct is. Certainly some funky music in PC Simulator 2. What's this one? Power it on. Cool. That workbench is empty. This one still hasn't started the Oct program, whatever that was. Can't add or remove programs. The Oct program doesn't actually appear to do anything. Oh, interesting. We can't remove until we insert something from the PC on the USB drive. No wonder what Oct is. Maybe that's an unfinished bit. But hey, it looks pretty cool around here. We've got our PC workbenches. We've got what I presume is our own little setup over here. With nothing currently there. Nothing in the calendar. A nice free diary. No PCs that have been dropped off. We've got a refit bench. With nothing to refit at the moment. We've got much better views outside. Look at that lovely garden to enjoy after you've built all the PCs. And the important tea and coffee station. Awesome. So that's a quick look around the free build area in PC Building Simulator 2. Let us know what you think in the comments. The secret door that we can't go out of. Awesome. It's good luck first round. We'll take a look at career mode next.